Take a deep breath. Hear the giant awakening under the tide. Listen to the basalt columns remember the sea. Discover the rhythm of autumn. Experience the gentle hum of singing bowls and deep vibrations of gongs. Let tension melt away. Metal speaks in pulses. Echoes of our shipbuilding heritage. Water settles into copper and softens the space. Feel the gentle hush as the fire crackles inside. A hand plucks an Armagh brambly. The orchard keeps its secrets. Bottles open like small bells. Juice pours like light. Under the dome, a hush of discovery. The stars feel nearer in the ecclesiastical capital. The silent sky embraces Tyrone. Let its quiet envelop your senses. Footsteps become a map of the day. The regal room inhales softly. Strings find the space between them. Sound becomes a slow conversation. Go lower. Every drip from these marble arches shapes a memory. Warm light moves between busy stalls as food sizzles and laughter unfolds in a place where craft meets conversation. The glens are one voice of water, steady and true. Crowds gather across the walled city as fireworks light the night sky. Stay a moment. Awaken your soul to the unique sounds of autumn.